Hello, good afternoon. I'm Christina and welcome to my Irresistible Fashions. Today I am wearing a skirt and blouse. It's a white pleated skirt. It flares. And it's short, very short skirt. Now with this skirt, I have this gray sweater top. It's high neckline. It's got a nice little design around the neck and around the sleeves, which by the way, are sleeveless. So it shows a lot of arm. And it's comfortable. I'm also wearing these beautiful nude pantyhose. Now these are different. They're not the same kind of pantyhose I usually wear, but I'll let you know what it is if you haven't guessed already. Look closely at my shoes and my toes. Do you see the beautiful shade of turquoise on my nails? Well, the toes are not covered. They're open. And the rest is just pantyhose. Okay, so there you have it. These shoes are very comfortable. They're a light blue. And they have crisscrosses. And the shade is so nice. It's almost like a periwinkle. Notice how sheer my pantyhose are. Really like this outfit. And as you can see, I have it tied with a little mauve colored hair tie. And I'm wearing these beautiful amethyst beads. They're glass, and the earrings are amethyst, dark amethyst. So this is it. So we have a front view, side, back, and front. Thank you so much, and I will be back in a couple of days. So until then, you have a great time, okay? Thank you, and bye-bye.